And so we're using operators with withLatestFrom. So it's going to combine the value from our continent with the latest list of countries. And from there, we're going to get, so you get an array where the first item is what comes from the first observable. Second item is what comes from the second observable. And so now I can filter my continents by country. So this is what achieves the behavior here. And I have another operator, combineLatest, where I take the latest continent selection, the latest country selection, and I create a string current selection that combines continent and country. So if I select country here, we see that combination displayed on the screen.